Hello all, Alex here with Tech Corner. Want to walk you through how to create a custom shortcut that will automatically either shut down or restart your iPad with just a press of a button. So let me show you how to go about doing this. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have the Shortcuts app installed on your iPhone or iPad. If you don't have this already installed, you can get this through the App Store. Once you have it installed, you just click on this, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on the little plus sign next to select. And we're going to type in shutdown. And there we go. Once we type in just shut, it will show shutdown. We're going to go ahead and click on this. And this is going to automatically do, when we press this, it's going to go ahead and shut down our iPad. So all we have to do is click the little up arrow. We're going to hit add to home screen. Give it an icon label. So I'm going to go to here. I'm going to give it a power button. Perfect. And okay. Oh, actually, hold on one second. Let's try this again. Add home screen. Name it first. So we're going to give it shutdown. Down. Perfect. Going to give it an icon name. Perfect. And let's add a power. Click this. And all we have to do is hit add. And there we go. There is our shutdown shortcut. Now we're going to do the same thing for restart. So we're going to hit on our shortcut here. Go back. We're going to hit plus. We're going to hit shut. Tap on that. So we're going to click on where it says shutdown. We're going to select restart. Once we've done that, we can hit the little share icon. Hit add to home screen. Give it a name. So we can give it a restart. Perfect. Now I'm going to make it a yellow icon. I'm going to do the power button again. And once we're done, click add, and there we go. So we've got our two buttons for both shutting down our iPad and restarting it. Again, you can also do this on your iPhone and your Mac. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe and support this channel, and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.